first went into Nassau County Family Court, I thought they would protect Kira. Then the judge allowed him to take her outside of my home.
Kira Franchetti lived for 28 months near the idyllic waters of Manhasset Bay. But she died on a summer weekend at her father Roy's stately home in Fairfax County, Virginia.
He shot her twice in the back while she slept. He then poured gasoline all over his home, and he killed himself in a murder-suicide. I kept being told that just because he abused you doesn't mean he'll abuse Kira.
Jacqueline Franchetti didn't share her pain publicly in 2016.
I couldn't breathe when Kira died. It hurt to breathe.
But her research on New York State Family Court led to troubling information. 19 children killed in a 5-year period during custody disputes.
Often fathers will threaten to harm children or harm children as an act of revenge, retaliation against the mother.
Here are just some of the shocking cases. Gabrielle White, 7 years old, smothered by her father at home in New Rochelle after her mother, a TV executive, had filed for divorce. Mason Saldana, 6 months old, thrown in the East River. His father, James Curry, tried fleeing to Thailand. James Shields, 6 years old, fatally shot in Astoria with his mom and stepmom by a despondent dad. Autumn Pereira, 3, burned alive by her father in his car. Thomas Valva, 8, froze to death in his father's garage.
If they were all killed at once, it would be, it's like a mass tragedy that's on the front pages.
State Assemblyman Jeff Dinowitz is trying to get laws passed with Kira's mother that would strengthen training for forensic evaluators, the people who help decide child custody issues.
It would require them to be a psychologist, a social worker, or a psychiatrist.
Dr. Peter Jaffe of Western University in Ontario has trained court personnel in 30 states, including New York.
I think evaluators can get lost in the conflict between parents. I will say the one factor that people often overlook is perpetrators who are depressed and suicidal, and their violence escalates.
Statistics from the Office of Court Administration showed more than 50,000 custody and visitation cases flowed through New York City family courts in 2018 and 2019, the numbers dropping sharply during the pandemic in 2020. The OCA did not provide an official to address the child safety matters with us. Kira's mom said there seems to be too much legal focus on one parent alienating a child from the other parent.
And once you get labeled as an alienator in family court, alienation will actually trump child abuse.
Jacqueline Franchetti succeeded in getting a congressional resolution passed that says child safety should be the top priority in custody cases. Now Kira's mother has to convince the state court system.
I want her legacy to be one of change.
I'm Mary Murphy, Pix 11 News.